Automatically boost post engagement to push your Twitter content to the top. To do this, we need to have a large number of Twitter accounts. Then, select Viral Marketing and choose the Up Top Tweet feature. You can use the same settings as I do. Here, I'll choose to manually enter comments for more customization. I'll check this box and enter the comment contents I want the accounts to use, 1 comment per line. After that, click Save. Next, I'll add hashtags the same way, just type them line by line. Finally, if you enable the repost feature, enter the repost content as instructed in the software, then hit Save. Once everything is ready, select the account category you want to use to boost the tweet. Click Load to display all accounts, select all of them, right-click, and choose the interaction function. Select the Twitter user you want to push to the top, enter it into the software, and click Save when done. Finally, press Start. The software will automatically control thousands of Twitter accounts to interact with the profile you entered, helping it rise to the top, gain credibility, and reach more people.